Hi babes! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the softest, biggest, plumpest, smoothest, most kissable lips ever with a DIY home remedy. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, check my $10 ebook below for a bunch of beauty hacks, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about the ingredients, and then I'm going to show you the special techniques after. But number one ingredient you'll be needing is sugar. I'm just using pure cane white sugar. I got it at Walmart. Any type of sugar will do, brown sugar, white sugar, and this is really going to help to naturally soften, exfoliate the lips, also make them more pink and lighten them. A lot of sugar is in a lot of fancy scrubs you guys actually buy for your lips, and you can buy this for so cheap. The second ingredient you'll be needing is some olive oil. I picked mine up at Walmart as well, and I like to use extra virgin olive oil. You can also use coconut oil. This really helps to plump the lips, hydrate the lips, and it helps soak the lips in nutrients which make them healthy, soft, and smooth. So you want to make sure you use some olive oil. Now to begin the process, I have to show you a huge hack, which is using oil-free eye makeup remover. You do not want to skip this step. I picked this up at Target, and I use a little cotton pad, and I just put a little bit on there to wipe away any makeup, any lip product. But even if you guys do not have any makeup on, you should still do this step because it helps exfoliate your lips, remove any oils or dirt, and it makes them so freaking soft. Then for a second gentle form of exfoliation, I like to go in with a little bit of water just to remove that oil-free makeup remover and continue the exfoliating process before applying the treatment that we're about to make. So to make the mixture, you're obviously going to be needing a bowl. And then you're going to want to use whether it's a measuring spoon, a regular spoon. I'm just going to use this because I use it to apply the mixture on my lips after with it. But you're going to want to go in with about a tablespoon of sugar. You can make as much or as little as you want. It will stay good for, I usually use it up to like 2 weeks. I always like to throw things out though after 2 weeks. I just feel like it has a lot of bacteria after a while. But then you want to go ahead and go in with about a tablespoon and a half of olive oil. I've made it so many times that I can kind of just free pour it. And then you just want to mix it all together. You can also add a little more sugar if you want a more abrasive scrub, which you guys are going to see me do in a second. Also, if you're listening right now and hear me say this, comment 3-minute mark in the comment section down below and thumbs up this video so I can show you so much love and see who my true subscribers are. Once you're done, it should look like this, and now I'm going to show you exactly how to apply it and get the best benefits you can from this. Also, a little hack, you guys can apply a few drops of peppermint oil if you want it to be more pepperminty. So then I'm going to go in with the spoon I used to measure just to apply this all onto my lips. You can use a spoon, your fingers, whatever you'd like. And I'm really just going to pat it on and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. And then I'm going to show you the next step. So once you've let it sit for 5 minutes, you want to go in with a paper towel and start exfoliating your lips in circular motions. You guys are going to feel it exfoliating. If it feels too rough with a paper towel, you can always use your finger. And this step is really going to add the blood flow, the plumpness, the color, and the smoothness to your lips. It's like polishing them if you think of it like that. Then you just want to rinse them, pat them dry with a paper towel, and apply your favorite lip balm. And you guys are going to notice such a difference. It's like you have a new set of lips. So make sure you comment your experience and results down below. Also, don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe for multiple videos a week now, and check out my $10 ebook down below for a bunch more beauty hacks. It'll be sent straight to your email the moment you get it. So I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon for a new video. Mwah!